Yan ang mga iba.
Anong dahil?
Pasawin mo na eh. Uy!
Tignan ang mga larawan sa
Ib. Sa chart. Ba ni Ib?
chart. Gumihit ang isang bahay sa na bawat larawan
Limod.
na
Si Limod ang height ko. Iba nila ang height ko. Iba eh. Pareho ang tunog.
sa unahan na mga salita sa kaliwa. Isulat ang mga pangalan at salita
Ito naman ang mga puzzle.
ang mga sulat ito sa bilog. Sinabi na sa kanagabos.
Papa mo.
Pagbasa ko nagabos.
Ano sabi? Yun lang ang kulayan mo lang ngayon. Kada one. One lang ang kulayan mo. Parang color. Ang tubig ko ito.
Mayo. Sinang. Makuha ni tatikitan lang makuha.
Yun na yan.
Dikitan lang na.
Yun ang diamond yan. Ano daw yun na yan? Parang pinang kulay lang. Ang 1/4 dab. Kulayan mo gabot. Yun ang mga 1. Ang 1 lang ha, 1. 1 lang ang kulayan mo. 4 bagayan, may 5. 1 lang ang kulayan mo.
4. Ang gibon ko. 4 gibon.
Sana, picturean mo. Dito ka.
Inyo ko kuluran ko.
Labas yan. Daw ano? Bawal yung black.
Blue. Wait lang, mama. Bombastic say guys. Pabukas.
Yun na.
Stressing over the dirty clothes piling up everywhere and making our home look messy? Well, this dirt clothes basket from Lazada can start with you. It's got a large capacity so you can hold all your dirty clothes in the space tight, and the different sizes are perfect.
Papa, kakularan ka yung gabos? Ano yung gabos na circle? Papa, kakularan ka yung gabos?
Day 1 lang.
Walang
Yun na yan. Tapos isa sa baliw ka naman. Mga 1 lang.
Yes, ko black ha. Need some milk. Need some milk. Dancing to the
Ella's assistant had already warned Jim about the murder plot. Jim arrived at the scene and smashed the car window. He rescued them. Police arrested the 2 people with witnesses. Prison life awaits Ella as well. Annie had been wanting to kill someone for a long time. She bought a bucket of gasoline. The doorbell rings while someone's in the house. Zoe carefully opens the door, but she doesn't see anyone. Annie pulls open the door handle just as she's about to close it. She electrocutes Zoe. Then Annie splashes gasoline.
Blue again. Bro. I colored them myself. I need some milk. Kitty, eat you. Black. But
Bawa saan ako sa ganun na eh. Kumita. Uy. Ang mula busaga.
10 to 7.
Naroon job mo.
Tuesday.
need some milk. I like the way you kiss me. Okay, like this, not actually close. We're just or like this. Yeah, yeah. down, then you tell me. And I tell me. And I tell me. I like the fork. And you tell me. And you tell me. And you tell me. And you tell me. Okay, I have 3 more tests.
Babe, wala na ako tubig. Babe.
Like love.
So here we have the eggs. To turn into scrambled eggs, here we have multicolored balloons. And then here we have a light that they've added to this balloon box. Each of these things make perfect sense when we look at them, but he had to think about it, use the resources he had to create this.
Shit.
This is a great example of artistic thought. Taking what you have, giving yourself a boundary, in this case, and using that boundary as the place for you to innovate. So Balloon Bro does these things.
Sorry, then.
How this is a great example of creative thought. So here we have eggs.
Pangalanan mo na!
Here we have multicolored balloons for bacon.
I'm just gonna do it like this.
And then here we have a light that they've added to this balloon.
Stretching
Each of
time.
these things make perfect sense when you look at them, but he had to think about it and use the resources he had to create this. This is a great
Okay,
example
time
of
to write my
taking
name.
what you have, giving yourself a boundary, and using that boundary as the
Wait. Mama! Mama! Ano pag yun sa camera? Ay, left, ini or right?
how this is a great example of creative.
Ini yung ang left or ini ang right?
Turn into scrambled eggs.
Yung ano right? Ano pag yun sa camera? Yung na igdi.
Taas, garo yan mirror.
And then
Dali na. Ano sunod? Lagyan mo na yun eh. Tapos na?
Diba?
each of
Ay,
these
iyon na.
things make perfect sense.
Name pa. Ano? Danag.
Ano siya, racer mo?
Ubus na mga ayop ka mo kay Edward. Pakabot yung ganda ko lapon.
P dot A B R E R A. This is my name. Oh. Oh. Nick. Salamat pangalan ko. Salamat pangalan ko. Hindi. O sabi na, digdiyo, si ano W.
Dahil man yan. Cameraman lang bagang problema. Ano ba naman ka, Pai?
Hindi.
Next ka na.
Stretch. Stretch. Memory.
Dali na.
Do you want more?
Kumain yun.
Tingnan ang mga larawan sa chart. Gumuhit ng isang bagay sa kanan ng bawat larawan na mayroong kaparehong tungod sa unahan ng mga salita sa kaliwa. Isulat ang mga pangalan ng salita. Bilangin ang mga pantig at isulat ito sa bilog. Tatay, paano ni?
Ano? Search mo sa anong mga katunog ng pizza.
Paano magsabi paano magsabi paano sabihin sa English? Bye-bye guys!